how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one. This is something fancy from South Korea for the US market. Jjajang Rapokki by Dongwon. So Jjajang, black bean sauce, Rapokki, a combination of ramen and tteokbokki. So, yeah. So it comes to a boil with the sauce in there, and then you add in, come on, you're being silly. I think I may have screwed this up from the get-go. And then you put in your ramen, and then you do it for 5 more minutes. Where'd I put my scissors? There. So, but yeah, you gotta bring it to a boil. I figured now it's got 5 minutes on it, so I would spare you. There we go. Enough said. It also comes with spring onion flakes, which I'm just going to throw in now. You boil spring onion? Are you crazy? Yeah, maybe. I've got more, see? I'm going to do it now, and then I'm going to add spring onion in. Hiya, spring onion, no. Put it at the end. Oh. You guys like Uncle Roger? Sauce. Look at all that sauce. It was powder too. Whoa! Oh, I just cleaned the stove. This pot isn't big enough. It showed it in a skillet, is why I feel like I may have shit the bed on this one. Not something I like to do, shit the bed. But yeah, we'll see. I gotta take the trash out because it is so full I can't even put noodle refuse in there. Aw, come on! Simmer down, boiling. Anyway, so what's going on with you? This should be fun once it's done. I don't know that the bowl that I picked will be big enough. We'll see. But yeah, this should have gone in a big skillet, because in a skillet, a lot more of the liquid will come off through steam. So, oops. This will be some very soupy rapokki, because I'll have to look at the image, but I know it's not going to look like that. I don't know. I don't think so. The noodle will suck up a lot of that liquid. It really will. No, don't get. Oh, that's my wife. My lovely Californian wife, ladies and gentlemen. Plucked from Northern California. See what she has to say, if it'll let me do it. She's working tomorrow. That's what it gets to say. Great. I'm going to throw some mung bean sprouts in here. More of a standard that you would see in here. Not mung bean sprouts, but I know, Pepper, you're going to get your breakfast shortly. Not mung bean sprouts usually, but soybean sprouts you might see in something like this. Minute 40, that's all we got. And I'm going to put in a couple slices of kamaboko. That seems reasonable. Maybe a whole 3 slices? They're frozen, but they will not be frozen for long. That is for certain. Yeah, I get these little jewelry bags for my fish cake slices for, and it works out well. Because it just does. It just do. God, really? Gotta work tomorrow? That sucks. It's thickening up. Getting the trick off. I definitely need a bigger bowl. We're gonna need a bigger bowl. Don't mind all the things in there. Alright, I hope you're ready. This will be cray cray and boiling hot. Giving it a final loving stir. My guess is one of her coworkers had some kind of family emergency. She often has to work on Saturdays. Part of the deal. But it just kind of sucks because she got pneumonia last week and she could really use some downtime. Oh, and our Kamaboko has all but disappeared. Ooh. Let's give this a try. Cheers. Pretty good. Pretty sweet for Jjajang. There's a Rapokki. It's kind of like adult beefaroni. It's just like thick and soft and chewy. Kind of like candy. And some crushed red pepper. Bummed the Kamaboko just up and decided to go up. We're gonna hang out on the bottom like a $250,000 a ticket submersible. I'll stop with that. I don't know. Good stuff. I like their regular Rapokki better because it's kind of like a spicy, sweet kind of thing. This one's more of the black beans, but it's good still. This came from Trader Joe's. This is Trader Joe's Thai Noodle Red Curry. Yeah, and it looks like one that everything in here looks like something I reviewed last week and gave 0 stars too. So hoping this is good. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye-bye.